Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to integrate Notion with Google Drive. So let's start first by opening your Notion or log in with your existing Notion account. And also, don't forget to open your Google Drive, in which we're going to integrate with Notion. And in integrating the Notion to Google Drive, we need to use the Zapier.com. So create your account and log in to Zapier.com. And from the home page of Zapier, kindly click the dashboard button. And it will lead you to this. Kindly click the Create Zap, and it will proceed to this site, in which we can change the title. And after that, the first process in integrating is to trigger. We need to trigger the Notion first. So in the search bar, kindly search Notion and click on it, and in which it will lead to this site. We need to fill out this by providing the required details. To proceed, continue. And also, we need to log in or link our Notion account. And after that, just proceed continue and fill out all the required details. And after filling out all the required details, kindly click the test trigger. And proceed continue. Now moving on to the second step is action, in which we need to find and select the Google Drive. And it will lead us to this site, in which we need to fill out all the details and required information to proceed continue. And lastly, to sign in our Google Drive account to integrate the Notion to Google Drive. So that's it. If you wanted to know how to integrate Notion with Google Drive, that is the easiest way I know. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much, and see you on our next video.